Now, let me show how to assemble light PAO14D with 6 modules. These are 6 modules and a PCB. There are 7 terminals on the PCB. We connect the wire to the terminal, red to the positive, black to the negative. Press the clips on the terminal, insert the wire, and release. Repeat. And all modules are connected. Now, connect the crystal line to the PCB, white to the positive, gray to the negative. Then pull slightly to make sure they are secure. Pull the PCB into the junction box. Adjust the position of the wires. Then the cover. Thread the crystal through it. Adjust the screw holes. Hand screw them in place. Adjust the nuts to line up with the screw holes. Tighten the screws to secure these modules to the cover plate. Then insert the crystal wire into the telescopic rod. Screw the telescopic rod into the plate. Then connect the crystal cable to the DC power port. White to the positive, gray to the negative. And then place them in the slot. Finally, this product is finished.